Yep, so I'm at Canary Wharf. We're going to enter in and have a look. This is the Jubilee place. Let's have a quick little look around. Haven't been down here for a long time, so I thought let's see if we can give you a review of what's happening in this part of the world. Lots of shops, lots of boutiques. See, all the big brands are here. Very nice, Ollie and Steen. It. Lovely little boutique shops. So it's all underground. Pretty much got everything. Places to eat, shop. Lovely place at Christmas when it's quite cold outside. You can walk around and do your shopping. Yeah. See. We'll have a little look up this end and then we'll... What's this? Oh. Various places to eat. This is street food kitchen. Various food places in there. So we've got a food court with various different places to eat. A food court area. Yeah. White company. You can see the skyline and the big offices and city at the top. So we're actually good time if you want to see people having their lunch, because it's lunchtime, not the people who work in the financial sector. We're coming out to get something to eat or do a bit of shopping. They've got all the brands, all the shops there. So we'll have a little walk around, and then anything I think that points of interest, I'll point it out. So you've probably seen this place before. If not, for those of you abroad, you can see it. Devshotdesign. Like I said, all the big brands are here. And so rightly so, they should be. because you've got all the financial sector. So bonuses for just generally shopping for anybody. It's a lovely place to come. It's all inside. It's well clean, very safe, very spacious. Loads of places to eat. We'll take you around and show you another food court. There's food courts everywhere. We've got them all here. There's no reason not to find anything to eat here. From Nando's to Wagamama. Look at that, Five Guys. Yeah, lovely. Po. I do like po. It's closed at the moment. And we've got Chipotle. See the skyline, big banks, all here. Little park area. Come out of Jubilee Place after getting your lunch, and you can come up here, sit down, water, very tranquil, have something to eat amongst all the trees in the city. It's a lovely environment that they've created here. Let's go in. Place. And we'll go down. There the escalators. People having something to eat. HSBC, Citibank. So over there, Morgan Stanley. Just walking underneath the DLER. Which there runs right above our heads, just there. So lots of water around you. Like I said, the city airport is not far. Approximately, I think, 10 minutes to the city airport, and from there you can fly pretty much anywhere. Into Europe, Geneva and Italy. So it's nice. I've actually flown from the city airport myself to Amsterdam. That was a good experience. That was quite nice. Very nice, easy airport to fly in and out of. And go over. Let's have a look what they've just set up here. So this looks like it's a paddle. So you can get it all going on here. Floodlights. Yeah. Place to earn your money. So this is it. Trying to bring you something a little bit different. From me anyhow. If you like what you see, subscribe. Subscribing is free. You just got to hit that button. Hit that button and keep up to date. I show all different types of stuff. It's a nice eatery. Look at this place. Isn't that lovely? I can imagine later on that'll be very busy. Beautiful architecture and the backdrop of that. If you like what you see, you hit the button. And the like. The like is the one. If you like what you see. Thumbs up, or even thumbs down, or what you'd like me to film, to show you. That's what it's about. I'll listen to you. Let's have a look at this place. So many different entrances and exits. Easily get lost. Got all the brands that you can come here. You can have your shoes done. Look at this, Willy Wonka, huh? Chocolates. So you've got pretty much everything you need. Let's go down here a little bit and have a look, and then we'll go back to the Jubilee quarter. So it's a complete, in effect, city under the ground. Yeah. With all the shops, all the brands, and everything you need. Down here. See? All the big names are all here. This is really nice. So when it gets cold and it's wet and you want to go somewhere different, jump on Jubilee line or the overground and come here and have a look. All the brands, watch this, Switzerland, everybody. It's all here, all on the ground. So it's nice, it's warm, safe for you to walk around, purchase your gifts. So this would be a nice little spot for Christmas, something different. Loads of places to eat, loads of places to sit and eat.
Apartment living there, I know.
Yeah. So, come have a look around. pick up something, food, clothing, shopping. Here, look. Waitrose. They've got it all. Everything you need is all here. Gales. What a lovely setup. So it's all underneath. And here, look. And right up. It's all happening. All the shops, car dealers, Range Rover, BYD. It's a complete and utter city. You've got the barbers, as they're now trains. So you go through this side here, and this is the Docklands Light Railway, which is right here. It's easy accessible. Jubilee line, Elizabeth line, DLER. And that shows you all the details. Where to go, times in between stations, train stations. They are, and there's the DLER. She pulls away. Look at that. So, it's got it all. We'll go back in and make our way over towards the Jubilee line. That's the line I need. I'm going to travel on. So you've got pretty much everything here. Trail finders. Waterstones. So you have everything you possibly need. One stop shopping centre. Yep, this is it. A lot of light, a lot of airiness. So, we'll go around and we'll go back down. The escalator. There we go. There's an upper floor above ZZ's. And we're on this level. So you've got it all here. Without doubt. Yeah. You finish work and you can go and buy yourself a car. So there's no need to go into central London for anything you want. You have everything here. We'll go down again to make our way down towards the Jubilee line. Jaguar, great place to come. Get your bits. It's raining. There's loads of other places to go, rather than just the normal Oxford Street. Want to keep warm? Come and have a look at this. Look at that. For all the brands. Canary Wharf. Bye-bye.